Mwanjumu ligereri zengwana ya gatembere tukulia lero niko tukwira chinga kichia bene kora ligereri ya nyata kwakanekwa ase bunge ye senate kubwatakana amo no muswada wa MCA ward ibe MCA county ya Nyamira kuzibe bunge county ya Nyamira wetia umuswada bokugania kumurusia wasina kumurusia besio mugavana we county ya Nyamira musika musikimenya ribo umuswada we nyata kwa wikibwa bosio obwe senate na gotagererwa alituko lialenge lya Jumatano ase okunyoletu asali nyata kwa kwanekiwa nigo abasenata banyata kwa kwanira engane iyo kurede nyuma batara cha kurigerera gose umugavana nabwo atamumocho gustabwa atamumocho higende gatangana matagete kurigerera ingere ki inki kiabete ase obochorio bubwanya to gutata chikule cyanya to chikwa kwimeye bunge ye county ya Nyamira bakanyora nga chikura nigo gosokora ngana amono robot kurwase county ya Nyamira gucyase bunge ya senate nigo abasenate nigo aba MCA emeronge bere na batatu bagete kura komorusia umugavana Nyalibo abisi ase abo emeronge bere na batatu ikobine kianda na balinga ase bunge abande banne nigo gotabakana ba 40 usibagete kura through proxy gosibata ati abantu ngakire kura so ikende kigana kianda tagwe kwanirwa ase bunge ye senate ase abawakiri babere Elias Mutuma wetera oyuore mu wakili bo mugavana hamusikumenya ribo nyari kabaga ko imokiga ndugosaka kurwa ribo riko nga preliminary objection gosokwamereria oko rusigwa bisi kwanya ribo ogwetera abataranya kuba kurigereria chinguru chiama macho ali abekeire nabo igo katwa kigen omwakili oye omwakili we county we bunge ye county ya Nyamira katwa kigen nere akanyara kabaga kwamereria hende gikorende elio mwelio aba MCA bagakwandire gentekyo abande bakegerera abande bakamereria na lio mwelio bakabugia kengere kirigatanga the bell rang aba senator bagasoka isiko bagaka ekura aba senator emeronge tatu na kianda bagaka ekura na gututera umuswado yuale na gotabanga umugavana aragendera ko umugavana umusinyari bayanda ko umugavana we county ya Nyamira na boigo bane bagatabanga ere bugende kiragendera kirasuka mutu akara kirende toro chinambasi cyabere cyinge numbers chiabere 39 against 4 because there was no chance.
Yes.
Umwanju murigereri nikintu gitikyanya kwira mangana mange sana ebirengerere binge sana se metandao keregento kugendera ndobwate discussion nga nsachinde ogokonywa gusogotori gwa kumugavana Nyalibo ngakigwachete in technicalities go sebinto binde mbiro sanda currency njiro rero tukubwatira na sam miyenda yole muliki bamangana ge siasa seketa sengito kiagetembe tunyako batokurigereri aya masa yamo nikiganya takabagekoba bosega gukoreka ase enseme yumanju murigereri naye nabo kunyara kaba gokorwe kerengere kiao gwetira se namba yesimire se screen yao gosanda YouTube aya Gatembe TV holike libodi gotekerengere kiao roro ibirengere to gusanga igoro yo kurusigwa abisi kumugavana Nyalibo na gotarusigwa okorusigwa na gotarusigwa na kobororo inegiatanga ebisyo byo mugavana Nyalibo gose Nyalibo kare kabire atwale ebisyo byo gotarusigwa tanga he has 9 lives.
Yes. Uneke kemoni ke bata 9 lives.
Kemoni bana.
Anyway, tiganko ni mwanchi murigereri tasare ase mwana wa yabono kwaligani asiri tukuli rero ase enkwane yeto chikuraligringa the events of mugavana Nyalibo imiye bunge senate. Actually ototo airiri wase narigerete sana kurubuna bachagete pakabuna bakorete nona narigeretie igekarakyo kyo kumugusia umugavana Nyalibo. You see, it's not the first time togotwara a preliminary objections twagetwareke. I think the last 3 impeachments including here Nyalibo na yabere 4 the preliminary objections na chicha konyera bagavana. Number one, you remember when we were talking about a county ya Kericho, Chiabeiribere, I think Chiabeiribere, because they were talking about numbers. The first impeachment motion, we are going about numbers, numbers kichibwende tokobo, kero impeachment yako. So the argument was like, amangane decimal. The county government of Kericho aba threshold ya yani the 2/3 of the members ya when tokoba ina baget lakini bagaka exactly lakini when the 2/3 of that number hachanga decimal nero there's a half of someone or
as muswari boku muno Dr. Mutai ngaita aba MCA bagete chikura aba MCA 31 kumurusa
31 yes
ya renge 31.3 ndomine 31.3 ono aba MCA ba be county ali bakasium 0.3
0.3
bagateba bontatu bwani bagakorera abo ngende kinagia tiko bakora gari kabatanga kintu bwati montenus anye kare ngo montenus naro na bani kiara kyo monto kero yo ko no monto yo bana ndo atakere gari kurusio magabana
around 32 so again gakonyo mugavana Mutai then kugocha the second time when Mutai was in the Senate. It was a moment that the way of voting, the process. Numbers ikaikarana, lakini the objection was that the way people voted, abantu mbere bahagete, much as yari work electronic, ikanyarikananga, na bayari koba hindered to a point like maybe umuntu nyari koba gwakira umuntu ndekura. Then tocha say a county ya Isiolo, Abdi Guyo, Abdi Guyo. The same technicalities tikakonyo mugavana wa Isiolo Abdi Guyo. Tuajiri bana Nyamira, they have tried twice. Lakini ingia nyako gaenda beyond county assembly because of the numbers. Lakini this time around bakatema goiki. But numbers chikirobaikia. You see the point was inga bali bagatebanga abantu bali aba MC bali bagete chikura bali barenge just 32 because the water vacancies chairenge satu. But the point was in the Senate that do they use the 2/3 of 32 minus the 3 5 was it 35 nero ya bwana takoba as a calculation you correct the 2/3 ekanyarikananga bagakanga they were supposed to use 35 so if the MCAs could have known maybe igo bare gocha koganya the elected ones baiche then from there bamanya gwake kura baranga 2/3 nireli kurendo toto ngamachiko makolengere ngaki how impeachment motion is so important than other things in the county to a point like the argument from the Senate eke kamajikongwe another insightinga nebwenerete richikeria kanyokoranga ndibwata gaps sana especially to the counties ndibwata gaps nyingi ngike how important is the impeachment motion whereby they had to come back to look at number 35 but for the last 2 years businesses have been conducted in the county assembly very important one let me ask you we have a lot of important things that are supposed to be done in counties. Number one, the budget. We have Gentokende, we approve some of the members of the CECs. And other things which are very important in the county assemblies. But how comes during an impeachment is now when they are looking at the 35. I think they were more pertinent, they were more serious issues that were went to Kuligirwa, county ya Nyamira. According to the argument ya senator bange na igwete sana na tegerete kromo senator I can tell you na kwaniti ogo chakira babo boni halwale mo senator mogeni ocho mo senator babo Cheriot again to statement baro kwana neringa taringa momocho tayo as a county government ya Nyamira ama mocho naro na dara marito the only problem is we have a law you etagete a threshold
lakini bono mbaigeti ese ngorengi mbaigeti ese ba kwegwa no documents je kurigeria mamacho anje maite through back door because the document yetinga kinyari bona bwata mamacha na kwanyanjira baikira ndi bujari yani on record kurunga record ngaki bona sie keire mo speaker Amason Chava kingi atanga sie keire bona iga chi document che evidence gocha na allegations chonzi ka kero mo senator bona somere kwanyambara ikira bona bacha kirite ngitanga ngaki first things first in numbers inje sanete
before
one digoro ya numbers akaro arguments ya banta bange echire I think bagotabanga generator binojine bagotumaka ngaki the law is very clear but we are arguing about the law argument bwata kenyingi mabondo igo igoro koruswa biskwanya libo na about the law how is this law very clear yet we are arguing about it na igo moske se oborobotiro akoro no morikito fatika kisemba agotabanga ki umusike dikyo yagi masira ni gagotabanga numbers ijibando gutumekwa chirororo
that was the argument
that's the argument yo musike masira akaro gutumeka mu example umwe gatabanga bono kwa bere muno mwibori ngwa bwata abana 10 abana babo batatu bakure gusemba iyo watabunga inju na abana babo bonse niko gocha nina mbeli bali parengo gose bali moyo
that's the argument
but now on my side argument ye gocha iga kara gutumeke se Senate nginyorete mo senator na royomo onyate ngate gusina no kuambua urwete example ya 20 was it 2015 2015 somewhere 2015 ekaro chikura chiale gwakwo tingi yote bija binga masana tikyo ngani akaruki samba kyo masana ta Osea Ochwang agatabanga chinga kichikura chiale gwakwa threshold yaganire abantu babe 24
bale barenga
umuswadi yomanye goeta bakamegotoka ngabona aba senator abale 23 n'umuswadi unatakeirwa nutakeirwa eta omuntu boretega noyomo orengoroku umusikikirisyo bure karakisyo bure aborete they had to look at watanga ki mbora etali kura yomuntu tali akirisyo bure ene kura ya Kisii County na idoko usie kura ya Kisii County delegation ya Kisii County bakatabanga omusuke Ochwangi akarigwa sarengo Serifa Road akaretwa agachaga kwa yana in fact the explanation was he came panting agachaga kwa yana the Senate agachagwa kali kura libaga ya Kisii County elinde kale kwere bona ikendu kia garata neke numbers jigali threshold ya numbers ya lenga kiko ikamwike 24 maite kibilinchiro chitagete numbers chitagete minimum majority or say simple majority jiro chitagete absolute majority muna bona iyo ya chaki katipa chitagete absolute majority yore 24 out of 27 minimum majority gicha abantu baba senator baba ngati 15 ekwara abantu baba senator 15 then ntobugate eyebono timatika kichikoru kwechibono chitagete nga 2/3 mune ya especially 2/3 aba senator ba wikaga ni bali ko baraba senator yo moyo that's why it's a senate aba senator baba chole was nominated batari gwakekura ya impeachment because yeko barungna delegation
that is a delegation
bono contribution niga wocha ngia kare count na nyamire bwata chi ward 20 arabatari gwaka bali ngaki Nyansiongo nebwa to muntu ore nominated go county ya Nyamira egere agamne delegation ya Nyansiongo ekera nebwa to muntu gurwe gurwe ara ko muntu Nyansio nara ko muntu then nalige ndekera mbuda and then another issue ne ngiye kora ba senator bro ekara ba ko imbichi omo governor for example batakeire aba senator bachole gurwe county choka lakini hesaba ya MCA kero mwa MCA gijako ko mwa
including the nominated
including the nominated ones oh that's the confusion one discussion toka bwana again bakoro
I think the law
kazi yana lelo yago chitoko tumeka kalieta kakoro ngala kuna in law
we have a lot of gaps that needs to be explained actually let me tell you umo speaker ana conference ya katabanga timaiti gosokonyara bairo lakini umo speaker unyaribona so maretu ama for 30 good minutes in fact the longest ever accusations mpaka akatakarata bwo muga karaisa
karanto fenti
because na bora fenti because ama macha koreki abira mange so and then richi kirindi bwata gaps the same questions I was asking myself you see we haven't been having MCAs for the last 2 years ababanya mira and that ego meaning that all these other impeachments chia koraka ne yakabere ya to nyari batara survive for me I feel like there's nothing been happening kwa sababu we are arguing that we should be accounting the 35 of them then to avoiding abawatarengo then it means that when impeachment is chinde was all about mchezo ya paka pata potea kwa sababu at the end of the day they couldn't amount to anything. I think the law should be now be clear nebanga umo kwere naro bona tiganda kuborio toto there's a time we have never been having senator be county ya Baringo but do you know that there are some laws been passing the threshold but they have been passing actually I like the way on that and I think no more senator be county I can't really remember ngorenge mo senator be county gete naro teneta kabonya ki no ani ntukonye oyo mwito naro tayo gakurubari
lakini
konyangwa katore chikura and how it comes that from the county assembly they are very so different
now yes another angle yoko ligere ligende sam anyendiri aba MCA be county ya Nyamira abaigeta aba MCA barenge ime ye bunge ye county ya Nyamira abainga aba MCA 24 gusa 24-25 bagake kure ku Muros Nyaribo we could not be discussing about the numbers because ababande batayo ebakonyuru eka numbers chiganire chiabolire I'm sure yango imukanga naba MCA bali bayimugira bantu batayo ngaki bali toro bono twansipi onda ingonyuru saba MCA mbaro batatu so nike konyuru ekero oyata iyo. I remember another issue ya bete. I think Rich Gondeli alikuwa as a Senate, I think division of revenue bill as a Senate. Omo Senator Lagat, omo Senator bwe county ya Bomet Mokoro, omo Senator Stephen Lewe, bwe county ya I think county ya Samburu, arabu omo Senator Kiriovas Marara. Aba Senator babere bakabwatu.
Sel balengi.
Ekara babwatwa, the argument ya the Senate ni ngaki emwaba bugata. Egere mbaka chikura, egere muyori numbers jaito, chogweti omo swado oyo. Alina riri kiara wakana tanga kwa yabwata. So what happened is this. Wakatebunga mtu babwata account ya Samburu ni bwate delegation. Ogwa kalibaga ya Stephen Lelegwe. Account ya Bomet ni bwate olengwa kalibaga liaye. Nabo igo account ya Kakamega na jabwate. There another argument kama go tabano kure semo skemo kwa meningi nyore tena reko masana taringa kicho. Akamego bolinga nigo okoba muma itenga delegation ya Bomet for example. The head of the delegation no governor omo senator Rangat tari koigwana ne nominated senator ebagwa kachikura awa iko meaning ikule yabere Miss President the only person traba shwari na erenga ikule na ende seta gereko ba Rangat yo munyane tari delegation so issue kama wadanga ki at least no wachoba delegation ingene delegation enero bado asenare itari kugwa kigose body will etayo goso kwegena na
difference of political affiliations.
Then another question ikame gocha ige karaisiga. For example, county Nyamira, nikebwata mo senator Kongo Mugeni. County Nyamira tebwata delegation. What if mo senator Kongo Mugeni tayi senate bono? Erenga kina mbe ya ego koru. As compared to Kisii County, as to already for some of the sometimes back, as mosque say ochuang nyagete kura, di bagari akirisho. Na bono ego mosque sio kenyuri na bawo kali baga.
We even had it too. In fact, we had even
senator Onyonga na giro liro na bale go chakwa. Na bale go chakwa. Nairobi ntu babate go semilio na manga jinga kiecho. Na bono ego ntu bwata babo bona nganto bwata baba senator bande baba nyam baba karen nyamnaro bono inali swali wanda bangi baga to discuss ko gaki numbers ye jinga ichigo just important ngechitari important.
You see, that's why I'm arguing like this law which ikeria 2010 in terms of governance and administration and especially a critical department, or say a critical house like the parliament and the national, the parliament, that's the National Assembly and the Senate. At this point that business cannot be stopped. Even though it's so important. Let me tell you what. Of course, as long as
Akero toka ndeto mwanju muligereri niko toka ndete kuligereria amangana ya mangana korukunga okorosi wabezi como governor we county ya Nyamira umosikia mwenye rivo ase ebunge ye senate ebunge ye county ya mwagete siko asaba senator 23 bagatebakana bagete kura yo kumurusi siko yona yo mwanju muligereria buna natika gotebi nabo gusange karengereri kiao gochage gwetire se namba irese screen yao erinda tonyale ko bato kumanyanga nikyo bwaterengera tigoro iya amangana yuansi agenda to kwanira bonega.
So my point was nga nebwente kuligere nebwente ko bakilianga a meeting to bwate by election somo senator somo jumbe somo county mo MC o sirire business should be transacted normally. I think much as anajitima do senkwa temeto kwa rengereri if I was in the Senate my argument was actually njena na gotabanga umuswada yogendere kwa sababu gani at that moment it was 35 and it was understood it was 32 at that point it was understood aba MC aba they were not elected and the businesses the budget and things have been going on bunge mashinani whatever has been going on minus this the three of them it was very critical. So the senators from the argument were mamacho maybe nare ngase county ya Nyamira macha zomaete igore innocent until proven guilty. Ngabono mo county ya Nyamira andake ama machonga narengo they were waiting. That was the argument from some of the senators including the majority and the minority leader. Taringa mamacho taya se county ya Nyamira ama machana bara se county ya Nyamira but only that threshold dichi kongo tabalire. That is why I'm trying to say nga aba senator and those bodies chiko rigere yamangana yeri chiko jiwente ku amend a section of those amachikayu egerenga a very critical motion like an impeachment. It is very critical, you know. That is justice for Somoga. It was justice for Somoga na Nyaribo. It was justice as well. Gochia sa bantu banyamira. Ndage ta bantu bambu atabia. I'm supporting the impeachment. It was a justice for both. Number one, it was justice gochia Somoga no manyene. Number two, it was a justice gochia sa bantu banyamira. There's no justice gochia Somoga nyari. Kwa sababu gaga tabanga na apone ile. Tachitia seke gambero. Ariko enda Senate bamo impeach. That was justice.
Ego gunga miscarriage of justice.
Yeah, miscarriage of justice. It was a justice to everyone. Kwa sababu if the governor was guilty of ama machakolire, it could be justice for sabantu banyamira and including himself. So they went to kuligere liunga in the future how this thing is a very critical moment. An impeachment is a very critical moment. That justice is still missing.
So, sometimes there is a challenge here. Umugavana ingorokunga umugavana we county ya Embu I think
Wambura.
Martin Wambura.
Yes.
I think na beta impeached mara mangi sana.
Kane. No, not given kane.
Na beta impeached mara kane. Mara manga ito bege mara manga.
Kane, but I think
manga beta impeached. Lakini ngandukia mkwenda most of the time ngelinga nigo ngwanda otoligwa amo nikebugambiro.
Yeah, no court.
Court. Whatever that happened de chingaki omuske Mike Songa beta impeached again think pardon ko bakere discuss dingaki numbers were not enough choko impeach Songo because there was a miscarriage of justice iko Songo akupata haki yake then Waititu the same thing then goko cha kuligerali omo governor na roro we chinsamo cha notice tani obeta impeached tima to se Mohamed Kuti ya Ngoruko akaba impeached a deputy yaye
ekabe governor
akabe governor for 6 months kulende court yakamekuira negatabanga ki a process mwatumwe tukumu impeach was wrong akaira ni wobesi na deputy katanga ki na ayira na ogenda roba deputy bwa so we have seen to already in the big weapon maybe a senate nige kwa foiding aki embarrassment which yaru courtin because aba senator abonzi for example through senator kwa mugeni yoro mumanyibweli chiko abana baba senator bago chiko tomu ase ekigambiro wo defend ya senate nga senate kare kubulunga ki nga kimwe immediate mugavana Nyalibo no ya mabochi kwa rasanga ki ndo immediate bija can you imagine the kind of the level of embarrassment yiko chiko cha kuruganga ki nga mwa immediate yebu ya muna mwatakere lakini toira neso gochakira omochaga number 1 mubaro chete koru county ya Nyamira to isign akana mubaro yo ochete koru ese county ya Nyamira to isign then what happened
you know let me tell you toto ndege kiara bere and that is the argument by there that was made asaba senator bangenga titua yerera kokole enteke and at the end of the day the law which bosia we correct an embarrassment I think bagata banga once beaten twice shy usakorege case kya Sonko usakorege case kya Waititu at that point nalitwalenge devolutionary konyo abanende much as direne konyora yabeire because he happened between was it 2017
between 2019
igabo nalitwalenge the second phase of devolution konyora gente kingera kora kingera sink to the mind that is why naba senator bajete back bagatabanga to avoid that we are being taken back to the court for interpretation and maybe we never met the process because what I know as a court trikogenda as a senator mbari kogenda court asama machari ba morusiri the only thing the court tries to interpret ne process mamachara they don't interfere whether mwamurusi na mmochana isaini was taisaini whether the only problem is the process that you used
mostly the lawyers bali bakwenda court bakoligelese weakness yere muna bono I think maybe aba wakili bo mosikenya libo bale ko ba mbati kolesi preliminary objection kanga kina kelinki agendrete baka bakachikura
impeachment
lakini bane bakoli weakness nga iga a shortcut nera kotakanto kora chinza to chakirega turabara kwansanga abamusiye mbalenga bagetekura mugafana nabwatama mocho gusitabwate lakini abamusiye mbalenga bagetekura ande mbalenga batakeire chikaligire tabono gano chikoligigo wana chikaligire ndio mana lya myagosoa na kitoko bara abantu na soko bara abantu abagenda kende sa mutu ebira gabo tutara kwanira ngelinga esa abantu abagachikura 23 kyale gocha gweteke getangania ki 23 na bata kere ko rusnyali bobisi past wanjerende
mbale ba
emotion ya namba tunere na yale gocha
mbale ba goteba mageti
aba batageti aba bande batagete aba bane bagete chikura bataingia assembly chiro china ande ngakichiko baro so eye minute nga bacha banyane batabe ngaki itwagete ko sentwagete from the experience kia bete as a county ya Kericho niko bagoterera bakane for example kara kadire gatinga getikura ebe naso yate affidavit ebe ta sweat igenda baga bwati ngaki muna bana moske boni arwala tabete ngaki injinda digendo kali kirense onyo muntu otene inari orindoche otabirenga ningagete kura osetingagete nere ngwegene ebibinde mo ngatenga nari getaga saidi ngakwa kali kura that's nonsense natene nari nagete kura target iko target so
we have a lot of gaps Ototo and the law should be clear on these impeachments because they are very critical much as people think that it's of course it's a political one maita bange bakwe bacha in mahaga political witch hunt bakatabanga nyarebe ko komyo but at the end of the day let me tell you like a county of Nyamira we have seen and you could tell nga we have been having issues including the MCS themselves the MCS of Nyamira was say titimati was ninchenkor you will hear them either nyadari budget bagwetia maybe ni impeachment babangete you never see them transact a very serious business there are a lot of gaps and bona nachi kiriko tabankelinga senate go se noena ba MC abanyene abantu abana batumire se county assembly in fact na bagwikira umwana nchi kawaida they should be the first people who should enact the law by knowing ngakibabwanta kwa kachikura if it's an impeachment motion before etaragana no senate abanyene babwanta kura deal na ansaba manyanga what are the requirements haven't they learned from other counties the latest to warene kia Isiolo from Kericho we have had haven't they learned what do they do what we call benchmarking to other counties and try to look at what is their threshold that they need to meet because they are people
in fact mo senate tabwe county ya Kericho majority leader na boli tiri swali elime ya senate akabola ngaki ino mwaro che mnatu akorire bintu binde gocha the president is there this is what happens this is how we count people ndo ati monto nunsu na ndo ye nunsu to komo sali omodiriti niko ko moment abo mugimali bali ko modiriti neba the moment yaba point yaitani point 00 point 001 uno monto ndo menda neba netugiyo monto yere ko balo so that is the point so bonega another presidency ya chilene linga ki argument ya lingine nga what if talking by chance impeachment motion ya retiru half of the MCS we count ya Nyamira out of 35 17 go 18 ebakali go se India go se mbeji maki bakali umontarete emotion yokotaka kurusha magavana obvious so that argument ni nama tikonye igwa rechire tabune bono abatikalete bonzi 18 bakekura yoko murusia bisi abantu to chimbalengo ngakisa bwejere ko chakwa etoto ya baba kekura ngakiere ko chakwa kuna bali batarengo kana baba rengo
as much as maybe the numbers in check
so the threshold na re yugaki to shedi argument na re yugaki chi count chi kobaru because bano kanya to maetenga na ba musiba kobaru like bano we were shocked yesterday kumenyanga neji na neji kanya to na ba musiba kobaru bano twanyiro chenga neji county chiko baro nanda bantu kamanya gweta nguri chi county odenga ki nama bagako baro nama bagako baro ngaki Nyamira takerugo kutwara ama abayamusiye 35 babembayo babembaro denominator ko limit same 35 1 out of 35 20 out of 35 23 out of 35 19 out of 35 inaire sawa so
ichikeri na chika gothe bototo ndibwente gukorerwa maonchureri ndibwente kurigirirwa critically, especially when it comes to an impeachment. Just like I said, and I want to repeat, an impeachment, that is justice. That is about no governor never impeached the Senate. You're gonna lead justice to the people. In fact, no it is justice to him. Because if he's guilty, justice you can either be
justice
guilty or positive. It is justice for everyone. For now, there's no justice in Nyamira for either the governor or Asabantu Nyamira because there was nothing that was served.
Miscarriage justice. Kolendo manjo murigera dinande karto kando kurigera dikoro ya impeachment yejo amangana ge siasa nere ya chagete ya jitega swagati siasa ya Broad Based siasa ya United Opposition siasa ya Kiango siasa ya vyama siasa ya Beyonce na mangana rutiro sana ngoro ya impeachment motion ye wetani numbers mbali bagatebanga undercurrents njiro chabete played in so there is abantu enza muyagete na abantu nere kwasyo munga loping inja loping ne kolire wetera se delegation mu governor yaliba umiranete go nsajinde go tema koligero ligoro ya akiara nyaka gutoligwa ne bunge ye senate mubikana no linga umugavana na umenete amo no mugavana we county ya Kisii moske Paul Simba Arati umugavana na umenete amo no mujumbe we bunge ya South Mugirango yoro muraibu abange ase bunge gose majority whip moske Silvana Zosoro na umenete no mugachibwe kya makia UDA moske Javet Nyakundi yole boigo ngaite na committee ya budget name dobinde na influence ye nsachinde temaitinga inchira kyora nyare turanyare ko batoko link okumira na kwaba gochiase senate utarusia mugavana nyalibo office inara kisungumbukuti kende kikukwana irusikoga.
But let me tell you Toto, I think people tiganda tumekali etaribe tikurugunga pet. I think petness nere ko played when you kerokorete issue ya broad based naberabe ya played the role kwa sababu isakorire the distribution of the senate encharabake techikura you couldn't telling mulengo kyolenge kwa sababu bantu boka barenge bakete kura against was just for meaning that there was no issue of broad based we had everyone or either broad based wherever sorry I think abantu abange mbagete esengencho ya the law. I think it was the law. It was the law. It was not about the broad based or whatever. Coincidentally, umugavana, I think ototo siasa. Okorokana no muntu nkoma chikorekoreta impression. Yetenta to interpret the picture kwa kwande. Number one, umugavana by county ya Kisii. I think he's just a governor. He has nothing to do with mangana senate by the. He has nothing to do. Tutagete, I think, or let me not speak it. He has no wama te bonde bwensi na senate. In other way, targocha ko tema kumunga kibona ara kumose ba ndazi saransia ba senate bona bate use maybe as a capacity of a deputy party leader na bale kurangira ba senate ba ODM maybe bamuse onyo korete bo it's okay. Whichever it was. But I don't think umugavana we county ya Kisii Simba Arati na bwatu wamate bondo bwensi na kwenda kokonya nyaribu. In fact he's not even a senator. If he was a senator and then you could tell him about umrende achiko whip.
What about a position?
Number two, maybe as a position of a party leader
party leader
arangiria ba senator ba ODM.
That's one ko kole number two ntwaro chese bichende ya ngali umugavana nyaribu balenga mu umugavana Simba Arati amono mu wakili bo umugavana nyaribu Elias Muthuma. What if maybe advice yaje tukokonya maybe aba wakili banyaribu no kubatabinga kinyuma mutaracha kagende gyonse korali gerali numbers.
But I think Utoto we cannot try to teach lawyers.
Then what
just as you say, let me
ngikonya batari kuumiranira ngibagoje kuumiranira lituge ligali a day to impeachment na ningi bake lawyer gokoro because immediately ngaki whatever bali go discuss with kia bato bwamate
but I can tell you for free that there is no way you can try to fix your governor Simba Arati as impeachment. I really totally disagree. Unless you're angry about Senate about the Makabai direction, be it. On your angry, like in advice here, whatever to look at, I think the lawyers were smart enough to know the weakness.
And then you get a second because a discussion you got the numbers here about senator. Mbapregete for 1 hour. 1 hour. In fact, it was more than 1 hour. If I can recall. Lakini jata ntina mbota kikate mbweta netiko lese 1 hour. Chinsech. Nariba jata tabanga muroje numbers jinji saine osenji saine.
They had to by the no request.
Waseno kwenda kwebanga agaro elija ibwe ko manyana obeshuanga inkwake kura yes waseno.
You see they needed a consultation because sababu it was a critical matter. Actually it was
a consultation anyale no mugavana Simba Arati waje consult.
Aria na aroche no more lead of majority Aaron Cheriota tabatanga tiatora and it was a critical matter batabanga to discuss wara tora kamkunji kabo minus the media the cameras bara aliranga what is the direction. You see Nabarabuma it is the house much as read bare from various political affiliations but at the end of the day again to greko baratanga intuna ba senate kegende ko tigetu kuterware ngiriko batabanga ba senate ba Kenya kwanza ba senate ba ODM ba senate ba whatever it comes as a senate as a house so they needed much consultation from the lawyers. We have lawyers in that house. I think that was the moment. Then namanya gotebiga ebicheri nturakora tigaranye korera bono ebicheri we abwati chimini ngibero mate siasa kerege ntonke bwata meaning yae okororokana kori una bono some people are enjoying ngantu amokonyete bali barokanete nere bit mbabo soro bit njavet bit whoever including our governor igonga bono they are enjoying some benefits some credits ba mokonyete na haro still bare korokana na haro nyari baendeka na bako tabanga ntuate amete como konya lakini yakora kikasinya so in politics kerege ntu kebwate benefits chai ogo chakori in one way mbachete koma chikorokana ngarende nga ko create impression ili ya broad based ngantora mono mugavana nyalibo kwa sababu gani haro no toto na iwe to mosena de mazo sengwate garete ko
na bwate teka tubasejeri
o mosena tawe county ya Kiambu
Karungo
Thangwa igate betenga some governors can go ahead to impeach themselves to look for sympathy. Una bononga as a way of joining the government. Kotabanga bon the government saved them. Correct? Again to bune kina kwa nteke to bune iki. Bono nkama correlate this statement ya nikose chibicha chirina rochenga maybe andake they want to recruit governor Amos Nyaribo in broad based gwetranga ngabono manyete abantu tuachiriko gokonya ni ntu abantu ba broad based so you are supposed to join us in one way or the other so that picture njete mbutundo chinga nebwate bwa mate bondo bwa na impeachment yomo Nyaribo because there is nowhere ni ntema ko yelikime hasenda atemero kwenye leak if as a deputy party leader I called the leaders the senators of ODM akawip akabata imokonya Nyaribo aro the governor of Kisii County na hakonya Nyaribo sana onye tarigo I don't in any way in any case see any
over and above that
yes
moral support yaro ngaito koje baranga ki mubwate ki na senate
it's okay
na bonta gokonya pi lakini tiganje ngo butesi tuoto murero tusambe bituma tusabe nyasa swana
negative na haro mokonya for moral support kwa moyo konya
bado ngo barwira
tige baruo if in future we have an impeachment motion maybe Kisii County akinyaribo turo chinga na simbarati okonye nayo chomo imoro
support manjo muligere someone another issue ya very discussed in elinga ki keregento any political step ne what implications chia okoba impeached kwa Nyaribo kurose bunge ya county assembly kwa what implications chia prior eche bandu bagatabane kwa nyamate ko banganga omusikege mokonyi bo mugavana ngotiane kwa omusikege sami arabu bata koliginga kuruta malieta gocha gochanga omuntu gochikoba deputy governor ya sami noyo aho chikorukuruga na agali basi ekega senate Nyaribo tabete impeached oira ndiro gochese county muno mugavana pado then humilitinga asibali kwa nyabase mei nganda chinde bintu ngoturwa na bire Nyamira waira to the drawing board and then kolenga nelishiko Nyaribo tako ba impeached until 6 months chialire korwese attempt ya jarate 6 months chigo ko muti juga 5 2026 muti juga 2026 to ko tigali emetienyi ange 14
twanda sobo chole
15 twanda sobo chole bonan so implication ye ngakibone gende ngaki ese ground bono to garo to sikise ground bono
you know according to the law toto it doesn't matter how many months to take to teach impeachment I mean go chiwo bachori bonane impeachment can even happen na mambi bachori boro if it is possible aba MCA county ya Nyamira aba MCA county ya Isiolo aba MCA county ya Kericho. I'm just giving an example because it is the latest. They still have
as long as
bad office. You know the thing is as long as it within a term limit area impeachment can happen any time of the day and don't be surprised. Timaiti nchabono gangu kwanda buna just a political analyst nda bono tiga atalia yake tembe I'm seeing a situation in the near starting from January Senate bado can still prepare for impeachment motions actually from the 3 counties. Don't be surprised any of the 3 counties now tabiri manya tuko cha kutuare and I don't know any of the 3 counties that is Isiolo Nyamira and Kericho. Don't be surprised a county nero at least ibere Jichire tan impeachment motion which has a county assembly go say a senate impeachment can happen ne abatu tigare tumo tienyo yomo guchi yase obachori. Why am I telling you these impeachments at times amagosa aiga akoretu alikuwa akorire but again there's some politics played there as umuntu utagete go succeed umuntu go utagete go succeed umugavana gete maybe obaire kugenda nairo obachori he can plan for an impeachment amurusio because you not be eligible kokora kwenda sobachori if you are impeached. So impeachment can be done anytime, and if it's for the benefit of the people, and if we have gaps usoto tubate ngendo tokurukanga ama mocho na mamocha mange are so tangible, like you can substantiate. It means it doesn't matter.
The only limit around elinga impeachment can happen in time, but the only limit around elinga mnabona nyalibo tagwa impeached before umutinyuka tano next year. Lakini abande mnabana mosike Dr. Eric Mutai end time because ngaite miemedi ya tano na abande gocha. Then implication bono yaba musia abande batatu. Approach mbalengo. Ana baleta issues ye chigacho kubaranga ngobetoka bale ko sembalengo. Tene karoko consider aba musia aba budget batatu. Ndachinde mpaiche go tilt. Result jira chiko chese impeachment yo nyege kare ngane chikoba ndorata ngane karo. Mpaiche go change in favor of either side, in favor of yoko gani nyalibaga ndeka gusokugani ya bero obisi ekarobo no to wate kubalira na baru mwati chicho chatari mitandao sana baru mbamira ndo mugavana nyalibo ba umirande ba kwanire ba bwatu kujingwana cyabo asenjera ya mugo sasa yende nande gente kende na nyara ko bago somali tukuli alero ngelinga ki aba MC aba ebalenge on paper niko balengamo on paper niko balengamo nga na ba MCA was thought I was in majority, was in minority. Then something hit me today nga umugafana bwe mumsio nya maiya no mumsio be Kenya bacha ni kiama kia UPA abako chikande se side ya majority. Almost MCA bwe ward jansion go chore tukwetera PDP ni go chikande side ya minority. Na onyore ntobwate se gusiga ntobwate Taiva Democratic Coalition. Eyo ere minority mu for example se county ya Kisi. Eyo ebwate ekiama ya PDP be. Ase county ya Kisi so mweka no eyo ere na ere minority. So meaning nga esaba musiaba as long as much as faso kata kurwe sensame ya mwana nsame ebo mbuko amira serikali. Kwa kese bunge ya Nyamira nikabako ba mndaka so majority onda so minority.
So I think if for political affiliations, I think Ototo, the two MCAs, Bachelor to UPA, and their party leader is the governor. No, there may be Navara shift to go chair. I don't know wherever was Basemba change, but let me tell you, we need to have again don't get to when to go to as Kenyans that much as to what some political affiliations, but when it comes to even to be so critical. Na bebwana tetwalire linga for the benefit of mwananchi toto ne linga abantu abange batari kubeka ibirengereri byabananchi busibwabo abantu mbere bakubeka ibirengereri bya their godfathers those who are ahead of them politically wataka go dance to that tune. But I want to encourage aba MCA banyamira, and I feel that they're also failing much as abantu baro chinyalibo kiro monto garo chinyalibo, but at the end of the day usakuligere bya including these MCAs, they are failing. It is not through an impeachment yoke. They can do something for abantu banyamira. Much as the executive led by the governor, you need to look at ways of doing what is needed of you. We cannot be having a county that every moment any critical issues through Nengaki bakokora just an impeachment. You have never heard of something good that they have done that. Ego meaning that there are a lot of gaps. If they cannot have still they dance to the tune that they will sabotage maybe the numbers of that account assembly when it comes on impeachment. How long? Let me ask you. Kuroba Cholware. Nyamira has been having chaos issues. Ochakera
bunge mashinani.
Bachire bunge bachira matoke maati kokora bunge mashinani. Barule bachire package I think nyumba ya MCA na rogete asambetu. We have had issues that there's nothing good you can talk about Nyamira. Every time you talk about Nyamira, you got kukwane even to be so negative. The entire leadership in hande bono gama intenega siana ne ko chiaso mugavana. Mugavana in fact na habwate di bagali nene yoko make sure Nyamira ya scribbles because you tell me we have had stories chomo Senator Okongo Mugeni and for sure there is this county allocation including the chiba sanchiro chigo chabuna supplementary chiachire Nyamira akirende besera aru Nairobi that the national government is giving abantu ba county ya Nyamira but beyond there kende ngiyo yo korekana buna bon let me are you aware that donors simbari ba beire stopped go check county ya Nyamira simply because of corruption those are very serious issues and in these counties apart from the national allocation eyekwana ngocha si county donors baro bagocha partnership nere gocha chi tokurukanga grants chigocha if those things stop then where is the position of Nyamira? There's something that is being that is needed kokorekana se county ya Nyamira neyu igekwo mo governor nere the president of that county arigerelinga for the benefit and the just of the people of Nyamira are taba MC aba bayisaransa ne batabanga inkira kini tokobuna what is the problem bayisaransa batabanga is it political affiliation chigo to sarani for the sake of abantu ba Nyamira barayisaransanse kende kira kolekana let us have a positive picture kukurua se county ya Nyamira wetranga bakolera magenderero not chaos from morning mpaka evening we have nothing good being done there yes
nabranya bibere bitatu igabikare gokoreke biya se county ya Nyamira mbiko babyansie bibe kurende samwe setoko chikokoda niga mo governor we county ya Nyamira musika munyeribo nanya tukabaga gwa stoke na kubwa tukachingwa na kia magiga yogo toligwa ne bunge ya senate sanya tukabaga gotabe ngende tangani agatabanga ere tala join broad based na ande tekabanga abimura
yabo soro
tabre bigo chikomurangeri mo sai broad based era kwa na patrida to patrida iga meeting are bon era ne patrida ya UPA ne patrida ya UDA by current kwa na aro tango sare broad based kendo kendi ya kabere erbe ko manyane go se team ya njanda ko appreciate okaboka ko mugavana Paul Simbarati oku to what contrasting of opinions ina nsachinde tachinde then ntubuga tegente kana ko kwa na gatanga abantu banyambire batiki kugore bitina nando nyomo chando ko Nyamira abanyamira bo kabai karanse wanyora lichibu basonsorane baigwane bagendera mutu ina statement ko chokora na kwanto chokora ngira nyako kwa na statement chomugava
statement yo governor he's right to say if abantu bako mo lead to broad based of course if it's the issue of but by the way we have seen in our Kenyan politics ototo we have had abantu ba some MOUs MOUs chiko signed and those people who signed actually Manyari was right abo around take to support fulinga those people who are involved in MOUs are the party leaders was na bwa nyene kiama ego mo ni Kenyaribo you want to join broad-based, you are right. You only talk with the party leader. Because we have seen, even broad-based, in fact, Murai, when they go na Raila Odinga, Kokoru Azimio, Nero Nengomo, Neno, Kamborangari, Wakaiguana, Wakaisaransa. We have had the party leaders coming together and discussing more. Party leader Kalonzo, Wabo Muturi DP, Kashago DCP. Those are the people you cover the same league. So that he was right. But again, statement ya yo kombanto mbako lebitina I think the governor himself is the right person okurangalia abantu banyamira abarokeriyo mwela kyonga kaibabwanera kogenda na aba MC bande gutanga governor Simbarati and I want to disassociate fully there was nothing it's just for political convenience nga ekanyarekana ngamambi ngo ndale senate yanyareka muna yanyarekana unless if there's evidence that he went there ka whip up a senator about DM bakamokonyo abwaro you can thank the governor as much as you can but as long as there was nothing like that I can't believe there was anything I can say lakini rende for political mileage maybe the governor another kingpin wabusi maybe he's driving and how can you tell us as a governor abantu banyamira bakora ibintu byabo and you are on the other side you are thanking Governor Simbarati for helping and he comes from Kisii County so it looks so confusing but I want to tell Mugusi at large aba governor including my own governor let them first of all bararengelia magendro political affiliations ingo chachire we are heading to elections at least yaba na inchi bara enjoy the promises that you gave people nga no choba kore I know nyaribona abwate manifestent tambe sana yoko kwanya bantu banyamira I don't know how far chire nero I don't know how Mugavana Simbara ati akorire. In fact, he promised even the angels, but I'm hoping maybe 2026 is a year we shall see angels. Kakonyora nga maraika yuna isa ine gusi haranya ire nyamira, because you see he comes like he's a savior. Anyway,
angels yaba bandi na baranya roche na nyana yo taranya rora gabano. That discussion for another day. Amanchu muligererie grab na to gore kwana ya gatembere tukoria restaurant ya to kurigereria na mono amangana abugatiraniti igoro yokorusi bwo gusoka tema kurusi bwa bisi kumugabana bwe county ya Nyamira musika amosi kimominyaribo bagusiye bagatabanga nigarwete monwa omori kwende nande onye umuntu gose gatanga ki anye bagatabanga onye imamba ke gosoka kururoche ego tebinga gose nsonere rwarete gose gendo gereke roche rwarete gose ne ngwe rwarete gose ningi abokwege nanga ko nero ya roche igabona za chinde karaba bwatani bo mugavana nyari baba koira ndiyo mugavana ko tonje kisinga musike Paul Simbarati ngambu ya mone soko mokonya babarumba maetenga nga yo mugavana Simbarati abakonyete agaiki ako nongo korera njuma jumulire litugoli lero tumirane ke honga chinsainye kidaika ngai gangi ko binesa no ko ruhono gero to byo yame ya Gatemba TV ekionga ke mumbusi.